Hey everyone, let me show you something really cool. What if, whenever you open Google in your browser, your own name appears instead of the Google logo? Just imagine this. Every time you open Google, you see your name or any image displayed right here, like this. Sounds interesting, right? If you want to do this on your own browser, just follow these simple steps and I'll show you exactly how to set it up. First, open your browser. In search bar, type my doodle and press enter. Open this link. Now add this extension to your Chrome. Once extension is added, click to open it. When the extension opens, enter any name you want here. After typing the name, click on Preview to see how it looks. Now, whenever you open Google, your name will appear instead of the Google logo. You can also add an image here. You can either use one of the provided images or upload your own. There's even an option to display a clock instead of the Google logo. If this video was interesting, then give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching FixSoft.